Hello, welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Julia and this is
Andrew.
Press the bell for notifications and thumbs up if you like us.
Now, what's special about today?
We're gonna do a competition.
Yeah, and what are the viewers going to win?
A book to teach you how to draw real life animals.
That looks amazing. And to enter the competition, what do you need to do?
Send us your mail and subscribe.
And you have to post a link in our Facebook page. What's our Facebook page?
Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
And a panel of judges, so that's going to be you, me, and the other co-presenters of the Magic Pencil.
Really me, if I can't
Mostly
decide,
you, yeah?
If I can't decide, you're going to help.
Okay then, I'll have the tying vote. Okay then. What did Max request? Our friend
monkey.
Max. He requested a monkey, didn't he? And he sent in a really beautiful drawing, which we're going to do.
Harry Kane.
Thank you ever so much, Max, for what you've done.
Thank you so much.
Shall we get started with our monkey emoji? Okay then, let's go. Let's all get either a brown or a grey Sharpie. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to draw the mouth about here. And I think like a sliver of an apple. So I'm going to draw a straight line across like that. And then a curved line underneath. Yeah? And then just above there I'm going to do two little dots like that. Excellent. Okay, so now we've got to do the chin, and the chin's a little bit pointy, so we're just going to do a kind of like, imagine like a V shape that's relaxed, a V on holiday, alright? So we're just going to go like that, and like that, yeah? Excellent, right, and now on this side, we're going to do the cheeks. Now monkey's cheeks are a lot rounder than human cheeks, okay? So we're going to go round, chubby. Like that, very chubby, yeah. And round, like that. Really good, it looks good already, doesn't it? Okay, so the top of the head is going to be about up here. So I'm going to do a curve, like that. And then we're going to join this up with a couple of sort of diagonal lines and blend it in. Awesome, okay. And then for the ears, we're going to do two curves. So we're going to do a curve like that, and then inside that curve, we're going to do another curve like that. Got it? Okay, and we're going to do the same on this side. Curve like that, and then another little curve on the inside. Okay, so starting in between the nostrils, so up to about there, there's a little dot there. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a loop round, and then we're going to stop about here. Okay, so I'm going to loop round as if it's going to the corner of the mouth, and then I'm stopping. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, so I'm looping round, trying to get it, yeah, like the top of the heart, yeah. Yeah, and then just here, I'm going to do another curve, so just back a little bit from the chin and curve in like that. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on this side, like that. Yeah, that's looking great. Now we need to do a couple of ovals, so here, I'm going to do an oval shape there. And then on this side I'm going to do another oval shape. Here, like that. Okay, we've got a monkey. Alright, so then we do our usual thing with the eyes, which is we'll do a quarter of a circle for the reflections. And then we can colour it in. So I'm going to colour it in black so the eyes look nice and glossy. Okay. Inside the mouth, let's do a pink. I'm going to do a pink line there. That sounds like a really good idea. And then look, see the bits that are white? I'm going to colour that in black or grey. Okay. Let's do that grey and then I'll do a little black line at the top. Like that. Okay. And then I think it's time to start colouring in with our oil pastels.
Wow, what an amazing monkey.
Did you like it?
Yes.
I'm sorry I didn't get time to draw the banana.
It's fine. Thank you, Max, for telling us to do a monkey.
And have we got anything else that we need to announce?
Yes, the competition of how and this is the prize, how to draw realistic real animals.
And what do we need to do to win the competition?
Subscribe and press the bell button, and also last of all send us a bunch of mail or just one picture.
Yeah, and do we not have to paste a link into the Facebook
Yes.
page? What's our Facebook address? I forget.
Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it, especially Max. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Bye.